Learn how to increase your open rate by nearly 75%. The average email open rate is 21%, and the average click-through rate is a mere 1.91%. Let's assume you have an email list of 1,000 and you send out an email. On average, 210 people will open that email. But only 19 of that 1,000 who receive your email will actually click on your link. And isn't that your goal? Email marketing has gotten more and more difficult over the last few years. Open rates have been getting worse and worse, and email companies like Yahoo and Gmail filtering your messages are making the problem worse by the day. But what if I shared with you a system with a 95% open rate and an 85% click-through rate? Let's take a look at the same list of 1,000 people. Using this system, you would have a likely open rate of 950 people. Remember, the open rate with regular email was only 210 people. Now let's review the click-through rate. With regular email, 19 of your 1,000 people would click through to your link. With this new system and the average open rate, you'd have 850 people looking at your offer instead of only 19, instantly increasing your leads, reaching and reading your offer by 75%. This training is 100% free and my gift to you. You'll get to watch not only the step-by-step video, but you'll also get access to a free PDF cheat sheet you can print out and follow. Here's what I'd suggest. I'd print out the cheat sheet and then sit down to watch the video. You can take notes and scribble them on your PDF sheet as you're going along the video. You can pause the video if you get interrupted for any reason, or just simply to take notes. And learn how you can explode your marketing starting today. Click on the link below and message me. I'll get the training out to you straight away. Oh, and before you go, be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. To your success, Renee.